This is today's progress. Not a massive amount's been done. I spent most of the day trying to make a metal folder, sheet metal folder. So I've just been cutting out as square as possible. These pieces. So the inner sill piece will go from here all the way up and to join onto this bit here, and then that piece will have a section put back in, and then that will get spot welded back to the piece on the inside, similar to how they've done it. Hopefully this time I might be able to get some wax oil in it, so it hopefully won't happen again. I've done a bit of rust converter inside that front chamber. Not sure why they'd have it, but they have. Another rust spot to destroy a car. But other than that, not a very eventful day. But it means I can just do a bit of welding here and there through the week. So I might do one when I next get a chance to jump in it. Or I might just leave it to the end of the week and do a week's progress. But there we go. And then